Hi guys, welcome to our channel. This is FemMNY and I'm glad to have you guys here, and thank you guys for joining me. For today's video, I'll be making a butterfly. So I came up with this last night. I draw this and that's what I came up. So I made the prototype and this is what it looked like right here. Ain't that beautiful, guys? This is our butterfly, FemMNY butterfly. So if you want to know how I made this beautiful butterfly, please stick around and I will show you how. Alright, there you go. To make this butterfly, the materials are all here. And it'll come in this package right here. We will put it in the description down below. Please check that out. So we obviously need 260 balloon. And I have orange latex balloon. This is 12 inches. And we also need your balloon glue dots. Alright, so first we will need our purple. This is gonna be the body of our butterfly. You pump this. So you fold, pinch, and then you twist. Put this right in between. I do it twice, just like that. So now you will fold this. So about this big much, about this much. So you pinch and then you twist. And again, put this together. You then again pinch and twist. And then twist it. Right there. So you just have to tie this together. And then cut the excess. Cut this one as well. So now there goes the body. So as you can see, there's a gap. This is the time you use your balloon glue dots. Then just glue them together. There it is, guys. So put this on the side. So now it's time to do the next color, would be the light purple. So stretch. You need two of this. So we got our second one right here. So I inflate it all the way. So this time we will cut the tip. Alright guys, so I'm gonna show this to you up close. You will bend this just like that, and then this is how you make the curl. Squeeze it right here. On the other side, at the other end, do it this way as well. So they look like that. Like that, and then let go. So it's gonna be like this. So this would be your butterfly wing. Okay, one on this side and on the opposite side will be this way. Alright, so we have the wings right here. Make sure they're even like that, and then all you have to do is flip the wings like that and put the body right in the center. This time you use your balloon glue dots. There you go. As you can see, is right there. Side view. So now the next thing we're gonna do is gold. So as you can see, gold. stretch. And we're gonna leave this much hanging. About 1.5 fist hanging. So again, you want to cut the nozzle. So do the same thing. You will attach this here and right about here. So this will hang on the other end. So again, balloon glue dots. Just like that, guys. So this will be hanging. So do the same thing on the opposite side. This one right here. Looking good so far. Now the next color, this one. So this time we need just enough so it's a little shorter than the gold. Just like that. So I'm gonna tie this. Right, there you go. So you want the other one the same size or length. Just measure. So don't throw the excess because we'll use this for the antenna. Now again, use your glue dots. So the last layer would be this color, green. Alright, so now we need our antenna. So remember the extra from this color is the one. So we'll inflate this. Then hold on to the end and push the air all the way to the tip. Okay. Once you get to the tip, you pinch here. And release the air. Like that, and then tie the end here. Okay, do the same thing on this one. Alright, so now we got two. So all you need to do is tie this together. Once you got it tied, got the excess if there is. And all you have to do is stick this right on the head portion, right there. So we'll use our, again, balloon glue dots. Go, guys. Isn't that cool? Alright, so for the final touch, we need our latex balloon. This is 12 inches. You can also use 11 or 10. You want it just enough that it will cover the wings right there. You're gonna tie this and do the other side. There you go. So you don't want this round. So as you can see, it's pointing in the end. We'll put it right on here. Okay, and cut the nozzle off. It's time to stick this. And then the other side. Alright, and there you go guys, this is our butterfly right here. I hope you like this and learned something from this video today. If you do like this, please give us a thumbs up and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. It will help our channel grow. Ain't that beautiful, guys? And there goes your butterfly. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching, and once again, this is FemMMY. We will see you guys in our next video. Take care and have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye.